Come on, Judy. Come on, you can't wander off. Did we get all the potatoes? Are we good? Did we get all the potatoes? Huh? Now that it's September, I'm going to plant some lettuce. These raised beds, they dry out so fast, so I'm going to add some potting soil to where I'm going to plant the lettuce. Today I'm just going to plant a little bit of black-seeded Simpson. My salad bar raised bed that I usually plant all my lettuce in, it is completely overtaken by weeds. So hopefully by the end of the month I'll have it all cleaned out, and then I'll be able to put all of my lettuce up there. I'm planting this lettuce where it'll be in the shade in the morning, and also in the late afternoon it should get a little bit of shade too. Black-seeded Simpson, it's supposed to be able to take a little bit of heat without bolting. I did try to raise some in June and it almost bolted straight away. But hopefully we're past the 90-degree weather and it'll do okay. We have no rain in the forecast for at least the next few days, so I'm going to do this like I did the peas and water it at least every other day until they're good and established. These 2 short rows, this will be enough until I get my salad bar bed cleaned out. I can't remember the last time we had a good rain, so I'm still watering these peas every other day. I also picked the last of the kidney beans this week. I picked 2 5-gallon buckets, and this is how many I got off 1 bucket. These are mostly dry, but I'm still going to keep them in the freezer. It's a lot of work to shell them, but maybe it's all in my head, but I think they taste so much better than store-bought. While I was getting the potting soil for the raised bed, I found a lilac and a persimmon tree that I had forgot about, so I'm going to go ahead and repot them today. I have several starts of different bushes and trees that I keep here by the barn door. That way I'll remember to keep everything watered, and also it's in the shade, and then in the winter I'll put straw over it. The Roma 2s have really took off after putting the rabbit manure tea on them. I'm letting the greasy grit beans go to seed. They had really good flavor, but you do have to string them. I'm hoping that they were far enough away from the other green beans that they don't cross-pollinate.